It's about 4:15 a.m. and we had a little bit of a storm, and then the tent started trying to fold up. Basically, we should have paid attention to the wind direction. I think probably, no, maybe if we would have faced the other way. So we took the tent down, retired to the car. We're going to hang out here. We have a fairly early start in the morning anyway.
Today we're headed from the Isle of Skye over on the Calmac ferry to the Isle of Harris in the Outer Hebrides. We drive from Toveg near Portree over to the ferry terminal at Uig, catch the ferry over to Tarbert on the Isle of Harris, and then drive along the west coast through Sealibas down to Leverburgh and then up to Lakisto, where we stay at the Lakisto Black House campsite.
Good morning. Good.
Hi there.
What's that?
You booked on today,
Yes, we are, yeah.
That's fine. I'm just beginning behind the wee Audi there, that's fine. Okay, you'll get your tickets and boarding passes inside if you haven't got them already.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Alright.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks. So here we are at the Uig ferry terminal. Looks like there is service today. We're in line for the boat. It is running. So we have about, I think it's about a couple of hours on the crossing itself. So we'll recharge all the iDevices and copy some files and figure out a plan for the next couple of days.
So after an uneventful crossing from Uig to Tarbet, we land in Tarbet, and we're just going to let the camera roll as we drive through this amazing scenery here, which ranges from Martian-looking alien landscape to sandy beaches, to green grass, to peat bogs. And there's over 4,000 locks on this island alone. So we'll just let the camera roll.
different camera view here, just in case anyone's paying any attention to this. Straighten it up a little bit so that we can get a more even shot out of the front. We're on Harris. This is the west coast of Harris, I think. And these beaches down here are just amazing.
Incredible.
And the water is like a turquoise. Of course, it's blowing a storm outside, and
Look at the I don't know if that's captured on film, but that wave that was coming into the beach is literally blowing backwards. See?
yeah. So we amazing beaches.
Beaches are stunning.
So we're driving down to Lieberberg. We're really just kind of touring the island, and we have a full day tomorrow, so it would be good if we
See which spots to come.
came back to a couple of spots perhaps. We do want to head up to Lewis for a little bit, I think.
I think tomorrow maybe
Yeah,
we'll just drive all over.
Hagenbo's campsite was down that way. It is right next to the ocean, I think. Should probably have gone and take a look down there. I think it would be gaily down there though.
Yeah.
See the campsite's right there?
Oh yeah. God, we could have suffered. As lovely as it would have been.
Yeah,
The weather has
this
been better.
particular time of year
After last
seems
night.
to be. I don't think it's necessarily every October either. I think it's just now. Blue skies ahead as we enter the one lane road here. So we're currently headed for Lieberberg.
Oh,
And
look at the.
it's going to yield to a few people here.
Let you go. And let him go.
Yeah.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna snap the.
Yeah, we got some waves down there. Look, this beach down below us. These beaches, no one really is on them.
I'll get a picture. No way, no how.
Well, we don't know what sort of video we're capturing from inside the car here. It's kind of a makeshift thing because we didn't charge our iDevices. These beaches are as stunning as seen on YouTube and seen on TV.
Because you can't get down there.
Well, you can. There's parking here. Which,
Let's take another quick photo.
yeah,
I
you
mean, I
can't.
can jump out if you don't want to jump out of the car. I'd love to go.
Yeah, let's.
I'm ashamed to miss that opportunity.
So we took a few minutes to grab a little bit of video here, but the weather is kind of blustery and raining on and off today. So we'll plan on heading back here tomorrow and hopefully spend a little more time at the beach. And hopefully the weather will clear up tomorrow. Stopping quickly at the general store here in Leverborough. I've been saying Leverburg. Leverborough? Anyway, time to head over to Likisto. So we are staying at the Likisto Black House campsite tonight, and we're actually going to stay in a yurt given experiences last night. And the owner here, Greg, was kind enough to prepare a yurt for us, even though it is actually out of season. So enjoy the views now in and around the Likisto Black House campsite. A long but very rewarding day. Join us next time for more beaches and the Isle of Lewis. If you enjoyed the video, you can help us out by giving us a like. And if you want to see more of our videos, you can click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified when we release a new video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.